I'm losing my voice. Is that better? Whew, that was weird. I'm losing my voice. I have like this dry cough. That's the only symptom I have. It's so weird. But Collin has started. Well, first off, look how pretty these. Oh crap! I'm gonna have to start a new. Hold on. They're so pretty. The leaves on the ground are not pretty though, because that means I gotta rake them. Collin started grain corn today, so I got him back for a hot minute before they started, like 2 days. And now they're into grain corn, which means, sorry, I'm just emptying my dryer. Now he's in grain corn, so say goodbye to him for a little bit longer. Hopefully just like another week, potentially a week and a half. Anyway, so probably gonna take Case out there in just a minute, a little bit. Crap, my soup. Trying to do too many things at once. Dang it! I let the bottom of it get a little scorched. Dang it. This isn't supposed to. Don't worry, I saved a soup. And I found a baby. And the baby found me. And the baby found me. I love you. I love when I remember to to pull out rolls. Because really, is there a better dinner than a dinner that has a Rhodes roll on the side? Ooh, they're looking good. They're getting ready to go in.
That's corn for cows. We're dumping the corn in his cart. His cart? The green cart, the red tractor.
Axel likes to watch it. We just got home a little bit ago from riding the combine and decided to come out and rake some leaves. But it's turned into just playing in them.
And this baby wants to be held, so I'm not getting much raking done, am I? And my sister's here.
Can you give the kitty a kiss? Oh, so sweet.
So sweet.
Otter pops and leaves while Axel sleeps. Gotta make all these up. This is just the beginning too, because we have so many trees. I have been mowing up leaves. You can see where I've done. Casey's been playing with the cat for a good 15 minutes. He loves that thing. What are you eating, Case? What are you eating?
Mommy meat.
Mommy already ate hers, all gone. What are you eating?
Mom's meat.
Mommy ate too, huh? Say peace out. Say we're ending the vlog. Half of the week's gone.
Say bye-bye. Oh. Bye, guys.